Hello, my name is Zach Dugan. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager here at AWS for Media and Entertainment. And welcome to the AWS IBC 2025 booth. This year, we took a step back and we thought, what are the challenges that our customers care about most? And how can we help support them? And at a high level, we're helping our customers speed up how they create content, reduce costs as they connect workflows, and captivate audiences using our latest innovations from AWS as well as our partners. We hope everybody who stops by our booth here at here at IBC this year are able to understand how they can adapt to a shifting entertainment environment using these latest innovations across 43 demos featuring 56 of our partners. Now, of these, we have a huge focus this year on generative AI. More than ever before, we have over 70% of our demos focusing on generative AI workloads, an additional third with agentic AI workloads. And so when we think about how our customers are using generative AI, it's things from not only content creation, but video understanding, optimizing their media supply chain, and introducing more hyper-personalized features to be able to monetize their content offerings. And so through that, we have a number of different demos as well as updates to some of our guidances, such as our guidance for a media lake on AWS, which now includes new agentic AI capabilities from our partners Massive and Nomad Media in order to be able to use natural language queries to find files within a media lake. Now, throughout our booth, we have also dedicated areas such as our Builder Zone and Generative AI Zone to get deep technical dives into our services like Amazon Bedrock, Amazon Q, Kiro, and also agentic AI services such as Amazon Bedrock Agent Core and a number of other features that we have throughout not only those dedicated sections, but things like our broadcasts, our media supply chain, our monetization solution areas. So another area that we are really excited about is our continued work with the open source time addressable media store API. Last year at IBC, we introduced some demos using that API as part of the Cloud Native Agile Production Project. And additionally, this year, we have brought it back with our partner Reuters to be able to showcase news distribution using TAMS, the Time Addressable Media Store, which is essentially a virtual store for near live content. So this year we have content that is live from the UK Parliament being distributed to a number of different news organizations in near real time using TAMS on AWS. And in addition to that, for the first time, we're showing how TAMS can be paired with generative AI using Amazon Bedrock as well as foundation models from 12 Labs for video understanding to enable more news embedding by understanding that content that's happening on screen. In addition to that, we are here in Europe and we understand that our M&E customers care about having control of their data. And that's why we have a dedicated digital sovereignty part of our booth for the first time to highlight things like the upcoming AWS European Sovereign Cloud, which will launch later this year, which is the first fully featured independent sovereign cloud to be able to ensure that data is staying within region and it is separate from other AWS regions when performing workloads in any specific country within Europe. Finally, last but certainly not least, IBC is a wonderful opportunity for us to recognize the milestones that have been achieved by AWS Elemental customers since AWS acquired Elemental Technologies 10 years ago. So we are using this opportunity with everybody here in Amsterdam to celebrate those successes and highlight how AWS Elemental is the most robust portfolio of media services, software, and applications to be able to power some of the biggest moments in media and entertainment. Customers from Netflix to Fox to Prime Video all rely on AWS Elemental Media Services to power many of their offerings, and we have seen amazing achievements like Tubi being able to have the most streamed Super Bowl broadcast last year, to Formula One launching F1 TV Premium, to NBC Universal, who streamed over 5,000 hours of Olympic coverage with personalized ads on Peacock using AWS Elemental Media Services. So we're incredibly proud of all all of the achievements of our customers and our partners over the last 10 years, and we look forward to now continuing that innovation, both with Elemental Media Services as well as the many agentic and generative AI solutions that we're showcasing here today. If you weren't able to swing by the booth, or you were and have additional questions, of course, all of our demos, all 43 of them, will be online and available to look through on the AWS website. So we encourage you to check it out, and thank you for joining us here in Amsterdam.